There's the instructor. Dad.
Oh my god, that's great. Swimming lessons at 11, 1, and 4.
Probably taking away these stupid pups.
Look, I saw one of them move.
Well, I never heard them on dry land.
Look, Mom, you see that one moving?
They're sleeping, guys. Kelsey, what you think?
I think I'm cold. No,
Alligator Alley.
You guys should go look at that.
That's a pretty cool place. Alligator Alley, little pathways around. Check out the alligators. They got little bitty things you can go in. Restrooms. Oh, in the bathroom at Alligator Alley, and look at the torchwood. I think this is super adorable. It's so cute bathroom. Oh, baby alligators. They are 1 and 2 years old. Wow, look at the little alligators. He is so cute. It says, please do not feed. We will get sick. These are humongous. Nathaniel's taking a picture to send to his girlfriend. These are absolutely huge. Look at these. So right here at the park, they have an eastern diamondback rattlesnake. Extremely venomous. You can barely see it because he's so dirty. It's probably the closest I'll ever be to something that venomous. And look, this little guy is just chilling in the water. He's 3 years old, an alligator. His eyes are open and he's looking right at me. He's pretty. And you got the other guys chilling up on the wall. Like, what are you doing? That's cool. So these are the 4-year-old alligators. Oh my god, they got so many 4-year-olds. Look at that. They're just all... Wow. I think they're sleeping. Oh my god, look at this guy.
He had to swallow a person.
That guy is really big. Way bigger than what you guys think. So we're going through the swamp here at Alligator Alley, and yeah, hey, I can't feed you anymore. No, I'm sorry, can't feed you to the alligators.
What do you mean? I'm the child. You're the adult.
Yeah.
No, you're the child and I'm an adult.
I can't feed you to them, sorry.
No, I can't feed you today.
Hey, look.
I can't feed you today.
Look, I can't throw you in the swamp, okay?
Can I throw you in the swamp?
No, here. The rest of the group is over here with us. We're walking across the swampland. Crazy. Trying to look for alligators. This is a cool little swamp thing they got. Alligator Alley. It's pretty cool. Oh, we can't even go on that little thing. That would have been cool.
That would have been really cool.
San Jose Island.
They make a nice pair of shoes.
Alligator shoes? Oh my goodness, guys. These guys are big.
I don't think that guy's even, I don't think he's alive.
We finally spotted a few.
I don't think he's alive.
Hey Dad, is it pretty cool?
I don't think that thing's alive.
Which one?
That big fucker, he ain't moving.
Oh, look at his eye. He's missing an eye, isn't he?
No,
Look.
they're closed.
Look at the video, Dad.
They're closed. Look at this one right here. His eye's closed too.
Oh yeah. Maybe they're sleeping.
Oh, this is a bad board.
Of course Dad would notice that.
Huh?
Said of course he would notice that. We finally found some. Look at all these.
Here you go. Hey, hey.
Go ahead.
Make some good shoes.
Grandpa's gonna throw some in and see if they eat.
That piss you off now? I see you looking at me. Pissed
Nice.
you off, didn't it, yours.
Oh my god. Do it again, Kels.
Oh yeah, hit that one right in here. Drop it on.
Oh, look, look.
Oh, there you go. Now you really pissed him off. You covered his snoot.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
goodness. Look at him. Now he's swelling up.
He's mad.